Prior to starting the cleaning, please wear the proper PPE, gloves, mask, and goggles. Chemicals you'll need to have and supplies: Alpha HP, disinfectant aerosol spray, wipe balls, rubber gloves, and a bucket. In the bucket, you can create your own pre-moistened wipes. First, take a half a box of wipe balls and put them in the bucket. Then, use a 32-ounce spray bottle of Alpha HP and pour that into the wipe balls. Mix the wipe balls up to ensure they are all moistened and ready for use. Start by spraying all high-touch areas with disinfectant and let it sit for 5 to 10 minute dwell time. Now that the disinfectant has reached its dwell time, spray a wipe ball paper towel with disinfectant or use pre-moistened wipe balls to wipe down all high-touch areas that were previously sprayed. Take note to wipe down all tables and microwaves to ensure cleanliness. Once the area is completed with the cleaning, spray aerosol disinfectant over keyboards, mouse, chairs, and phones. Please take note of the additional touch point areas, which include door handles, light switches, time clocks, chairs and chair armrests, phones, keyboards, computer mouse, refrigerators, ice machines, copy machines, restroom fixtures, locker room doors, and handles.